Nice. Nakakuha ng isa, wow. At least, ang ganda, no?
Ayan, sige, lagay mo dyan sa'yo.
Ang laki. Ganito yung mga nakuha ni Joe, eh. Ito, patingin.
Ayun, meron pang
Laki,
isa.
maganda rin, ah.
Meron pang isa.
At least sabi ko wala na rito kasi dry na.
Ayan, sinisip ko. Ayun, natin naman dami dito.
Ayan, oo.
Inaano na ako kasi.
Okay. Alam mo ba kanina, umaga, everyday ako ganyan, every morning.
Hindi madamo kasi.
Ay sis, ayan mo.
No, it's okay.
No, just
Wow, plenty. Wow.
The other ones, they get... See?
Yeah,
Oh,
this
ayan,
one.
kay Sally na. Oh,
This
sige.
one.
Ito, oh, lagyan kita ng
No.
partition.
Sis, puro ganyan.
Okay, okay.
Di mo!
Is enough this one.
Yeah, they did.
Enough this one.
Oh, ayan, sa'yo yan.
I will put on the tree. Christmas tree. Akin na sis, ako naman.
Hindi, okay. You
Ako naman
Sit
nagdala.
down longer this way.
See, now
I
I'm
love this.
already, my nose.
Wow. I found here another big one. Oh my. Yeah. Senek. Wow. Look at this.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Perfect. May I see?
Oh,
Wow.
They're just fresh, this
Can
one.
you put like that? Wow. Nice.
that's a good
Yeah.
one.
Sister, you. Tatlo ay kaya lang naputol. Na ano na. Naapakan.
Okay lang yan.
Kukunin ko sana, sabi mo, wag na yung nabiyak.
Ay.
Sis, kunin mo to. It's good. Ay, sayang. Lilinisin lang yan. Fresh, oh. Fresh yan. It's not dry.
No.
Mas dry pa yung isa doon.
Oh,
I gave plenty already.
Videoan ko nga. Wow.
Okay na.
Beautiful. Oh, wow.
What happened here?
Hot. It's too soft.
This one is full.
Napagod na.
Full baskets. Basket.
Heavy now.
Full basket. Matulas siya sis. Slimy.
Oo, wag
Hindi. Sinabi na nga niyang hindi. Tinapon na niya. Pinuulot ko pa. Kasi nagandahan ako. Maganda. Sayang, no? Ganda pa naman nun. Saan na kaya yung padeos na to? Hindi tayo tinatawag. Siguro marami doon.
Yeah,
Baka marami
ayaw
doon.
tayong papuntahin doon. Ano?
Ano kaya?